Let's go on a little journey to make this homemade 5-ingredient French bread. I'm using Hauswirt's M5 Ultra Quiet Stand Mixer to activate yeast with water and honey. After it bubbles up, add salt, secure the hook attachment, and the M5's LED touchscreen display allows for easy setting control while also keeping track of whatever it is you're working on. While the mixer's running, slowly add flour until a dough forms and begins pulling away from the sides of the bowl. Flour both sides of your newly formed dough, then cover and let rise for 1 hour. Now, on a floured surface, pull the edges of the dough towards the center, then flip and shape into a round loaf using a twisting motion. The dough needs to rest and rise one more time for 30 minutes, just make sure it's well floured. After 2 proofs, the dough is ready to go into a preheated Dutch oven and bake for 30 minutes at 460 degrees, then remove the lid and bake for another 15 minutes to get that deep rustic color and super crunchy exterior. Let it rest for about 30 minutes before cutting into it, and I promise you the results will be so satisfying. This is the way that bread was meant to be, no additives, just water, flour, yeast, and a